how to change your profile picture on the Oculus Quest 2. I'm going to show you how you can easily change your profile picture on the Oculus Quest 2. First, press on the Oculus button that is located on your right Oculus Touch controller. It is with the Oculus logo, like in the picture below. Then, you can immediately see a floating toolbar appear at the bottom like in the picture. The floating toolbar name is Universal Menu. Now, you must select the profile menu. You can see your profile picture on it. Next, you can see the profile dashboard appear in front of you. Now, you click on the Edit Avatar button. Now, you can see the avatar panel or dashboard appear right in front of you. From here, you can make changes, edit, or customize your avatar accordingly. Finally, after you are satisfied with your changes, then you click on the Save Avatar and Continue button. Or if you want to cancel, then you will click Exit without saving. That's it. You're good to go to try it out yourself. In case you would like to understand more about it, you can read it from the Oculus support site.